Okay, so I eat keto. It's just what I prefer. It's just what works for me in my lifestyle, and I'm always on the lookout for things that I can snack on a low-carb diet, and you'd be surprised how much sugar and how much weird stuff is in a lot of brands of beef jerky. It seems like such an obvious keto snack, but a lot of them have so much sugar in them that I just stay away from them. So I buy these. This is a sugar-free beef jerky. It has 0 carbs in it whatsoever. It's packed full of protein. It's essentially just cured meat, but maybe I have a terrible palate. Maybe I'm not good at this game, but for some reason, this tastes no different to me than any other sugar-filled version of beef jerky. This is just as good in my opinion, but the reason I enjoy it is it's 0 carbs. It has 0 added sugars. It's a wonderful, wonderful snack for low-carb lovers like myself. So if you are looking for that perfect low-carb, that perfect keto snack, this is something that is always in my to-go bag and something that's always in my kitchen. I eat this stuff on a regular basis. I enjoy it, and I would definitely recommend it.